Choose ceramic tile for your floor by matching size, finish, and durability to the room's use and style. Start by measuring the space and imagining grout lines because larger tiles make a room look bigger and require fewer grout lines, while smaller tiles handle slopes and curves better. Pick a finish that suits function. Glazed tiles resist stains and are easier to clean, while unglazed tiles offer better slip resistance when textured. Check the Porcelain Enamel Institute rating to ensure the tile can handle foot traffic typical for the room. For heavy traffic, choose a higher rating, and for bathrooms or entryways, prioritize abrasion resistance. Match tile thickness and a suitable backbutter technique when installing over underfloor heating or mixed substrates to avoid hollow spots and cracking. Consider rectified edges if you want minimal grout lines and a modern look, but remember, rectified requires very consistent subfloor flatness and tighter grout joints. For larger formats, plan for larger trowel sizes and skilled installers because bedding and flatness tolerances grow with tile size. Common mistakes include picking a smooth, glossy finish for wet areas which becomes slippery when wet. Choose a textured or matte finish with higher slip resistance instead. Another error is assuming all ceramic labeled for floors are equal. Check the Porcelain Enamel Institute rating and wear layer to match expected traffic and cleaning routines. A third issue is ignoring subfloor flatness and installation technique, which causes lippage and cracked tiles. Solve this by measuring for flatness, using a leveling system, and hiring an installer skilled with the chosen tile size and substrate. BigHomeProjects.com helps connect homeowners with local contractors who work on tile flooring and other projects and supports contractors looking for clients. We also host an active discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and recommendations so we can learn from each other.